Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save a location in Google Maps. Whether we want to remember a place, plan a trip, or save our favorite spots, this guide is for us. On our Google Maps dashboard, we scan for the place we want to save, or zoom in to find it. Once we have found it, we simply click the place, then click the Save button. We can add it to a new list. For example, let's type drop point 1 and save it. As we can see, it is now saved. In our saved section, it will appear here. We can see our point, and here is our drop point. This is now saved and ready to use whenever we need it. We can also get directions to this location by clicking Directions and choosing our starting point. This is how we save locations in Google Maps. We can mark a place, add it to our saved list, and keep our favorite spots organized for quick navigation. That's it. Now we know how to save a location in Google Maps.